Hi everyone, welcome to our channel regrub.com, and here in this video we are at Meridian Shri Residential Project, which is located at NSC Bose Road, Bansdroni, Kolkata. So here you can see this way leads towards Mastada Surya Sen metro station, which is just 500 meters away from this project, and this left way leads towards Bansdroni Bazaar, which is just at 2 minutes walking distance from this project. So this project is spread across 0.21 acres of land. It carries a single tower having two wings of G+4 number of floors. There are total 20 number of units and it has 40% open area. This residential project offers 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK homes for the residents. So this project is located in a very convenient location and commuting is also easy from this place. So it's an under construction project and the possession of this project will be given in April 2020. So here you can take the view of Project Tower. Now this is the space for multi-level parking. So as you can see, the construction work is going on. And now here we will give you the interior view of a 2 BHK flat which is of 1010 square feet. So this we have entered into the flat and here you can see the living room with an attached balcony. Here comes the first bedroom. Now this is the kitchen space. Here is the common washroom. And just next to the washroom, this is the second bedroom of this 2 BHK flat, which also has an attached washroom, as here you can see. So this we have shown you the interior view of a 2 BHK flat which is of 1010 square feet super build up area. Now next we are showing you the interior view of a 2.5 BHK flat which is of 1240 square feet super build up area. So here you can see the living room. Now this is a space for an attached balcony. Here is the kitchen. And now we are here in the first bedroom. Here is the second bedroom. Right here is the common washroom. And now we have entered into the study room. So now moving next, Here we will give you the interior view of a 2 BHK flat, which is of 1140 square feet super build-up area. So we have entered into the flat, and here you can see the first bedroom. This is the living room. With an attached balcony. Now here is the common washroom. This is the second bedroom. And this is the kitchen. So now here you can take the view of second wing. So as I have told you earlier, this project carries a single tower with two separate wings altogether. So the construction work is going on in full swing, as you can see in this video. And now here we will give you the interior view of a 3 BHK flat, which is of 1590 square feet. So here is the living room. With an attached balcony. Now we are heading towards the bedrooms. So this we have entered into the first bedroom, which also has an attached washroom. Here is the common washroom. This is the kitchen. And just next to the kitchen, here is the second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.